Hi everyone, this is practice formative of chapter 4, question number 4. Now in this question, we know that Sandy can choose either to walk, hail a taxi or send by her parents to Terminal Bersepadu Selatan. And then from there, she can choose from 4 different modes of transport to Kuala Lumpur. And therefore, we have to determine the number of ways travel to and fro to Kuala Lumpur through the Terminal Bersepadu Selatan if she uses the same mode of transport. Okay, what does that mean? So first of all, we know that she has to arrive the BTS first. Sorry, not BTS. She has to choose the way to arrive at the Terminal Bersepadu Selatan, the TBS. So over here, it's very clear we have 3 ways. One is to walk. Another way is to hail a taxi or sent by her parent. Okay, so over here, there are 3 ways to go to TBS. And then from TBS, there are 4 modes of transport. So we transport 1, transport 2, transport 3, transport 4. These 4 different transport to arrive at the Kuala Lumpur. Okay, we need to find the way to and fro. Okay, so when we go to, how many ways? First, we have to arrive at TBS. There are 3 ways, followed by any of the 4 modes to go to KL, so times 4. Okay, and then when she come back, she has to use the same mode of transport. That means when she go, let's say we take a walk. All right, she walk to TBS and then she take the mode 1 of transport to KL. So when she come back, she have to use the same mode of transport. That means she has to use the T1. So when we come back, we don't have other choice but to go to T1. And when she arrived at TBS, she has no other choice but to go to walk. Therefore, the number of selection to come back is 1 times 1. Okay, since these 2, to and fro, happen one after another, so we shall multiply it. So for part A, the answer is 12. As for part B, 2, same thing. We have 3 ways, followed by 4 ways to KL. 3 ways to TBS, followed by 4 ways to KL. And then when she come back, she does not use the same mode of transport, which means when she come back, instead of T1, she has to choose from the remaining 3. Once she arrives at TBS, instead of to walk back, she has to choose the remaining of the 2 choices. So in that case, to come back to fro, we will have 3 choices, initially 4, but we already used 1. We should not use that again. So we have 3 remaining choices. And then once arrive at TBS, we cannot choose the walk. Okay, cannot choose to walk home. We have to choose the remaining 2 ways. So times 2. Therefore, all in all, we have 12 times with 6, 72 is the answer. Okay, so for all, we plus and we multiply. So that's it for question number 4.